A blacklisted domain can lead to significant frustration and greatly impact your email delivery. Regularly checking your domain's health is essential to identifying and addressing any potential issues quickly. So, how do you know if you're blacklisted and what steps should you take next? Luckily, it's quite simple and straightforward. You can use mxtoolbox.com to check it. This tool not only looks up the domain, but also checks the IP associated with it. Click on Blacklists and enter your domain name. Now it's time to perform the blacklist check. For example, in this case, everything is perfectly fine. The domain hasn't been blacklisted and there should be no delivery or spam issues with the verified sender domain. However, in this case, it looks worse. As you can see, this domain has been included on some blacklists. What should you do in this situation if it were your domain? First of all, you need to check which blacklists you're listed on. Not all blacklists are treated equally by ISPs. The blacklists that are worth attention and action can be found here. For example, if you're listed on a scams or spam grouper, it's concerning but it's not a deal breaker. If you have any doubts, please contact your domain hosting provider for assistance and clarification. Now is the time to take action and work to have your domain removed from the list. The first step is to ensure that whatever caused your domain to appear on the blacklist is no longer occurring. Be aware that the blacklist provider will not consider delisting your domain unless you can clearly explain the cause and present proof that the problem has been fully addressed. You may have been sending emails from an unverified domain, sending to spam traps, or getting caught in feedback loops. Identify the issue and resolve it. Delisting is just the beginning. It's crucial to adopt strategies to enhance your sender reputation and prevent future blacklisting. Avoid sending unsolicited emails or reaching invalid inboxes. Do not purchase email lists, instead use double opt-in web forms to build your subscriber base. Regularly update your list and clean it by removing inactive subscribers who haven't opened your emails in a while. By aligning with these strategies, you should avoid being included on any blacklist. However, it's a good idea to check periodically, either once a month or once a quarter, just to be sure and stay safe. Take care of your domain's reputation regularly and have a great day.